What's the meaning of blanket bath? Blanket bath. Blanket bath.
Blanket bath. Blanket bath. A blanket bath, also known as a bed bath, is a type of bathing method that is used to clean the body of individuals who are unable to leave their beds. This method involves using warm water, soap, and towels to gently clean and refresh the person's skin. The term blanket bath comes from the fact that the individual remains covered by a blanket during the process in order to maintain their privacy and comfort. This type of bathing is commonly used in hospitals, nursing homes, and home care settings for patients who are bedridden or have mobility issues. It helps to promote hygiene, prevent infections, and improve overall comfort for the person receiving care.